In this video, I'll show you how to use the show notice block. It's perfect for different scenarios where you need to trigger notifications. For example, when your workflow encounters a captcha and requires manual intervention, it can notify you in time. It's very easy to use. Follow me. Drag the show notice block onto the canvas. Enter the notification message you want to display here. You can also add a title to make the notification clearer. Add a delay, so it's easier to observe. Alright, click play and give it a try. The notification didn't pop up? Don't worry. This is because notification is disabled by default. You can go to Tapicker's settings and allow sending custom notifications. Right here. Okay, let's run it again. See, the notification is displayed. In addition to text notifications, you can also add an audio alert to make it more noticeable. Paste an online audio URL here, such as an MP3 or WAV file. We can find one in the documentation to test. You can also set the playback count here. Enter 3, which means it will repeat up to 3 times. Alright, click play. Hear that? The sound is playing. You can click here to pause. You can also use a local audio as a notification sound. But note, before playing local audio, make sure to enable the permission. Allow access to file URLs. Then locate the URL of the local audio. Alright, run it again. The sound is now playing. Nice! You've fully mastered the show notice block. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.